The purpose of my presentation today is data of microbiome in vitro screening of antifungal properties of bunga kantan, Etria erythrosome, again, Fusarium osporium in the epiphysis lab minimas. My name is Prasanna Anajeri, 107523 number metric. First, introduction. Target plant is the bunga kantan. Family Ginghambraceae. Botanical status is Monocotyledon. Class Liliespedia, a native herbal plant in Sarawak. Key properties: favors for medical and dietary value and possesses safe natural antimicrobial properties. Problem statement: environmental and fungi issue. Stress factor: drought and salinity degrade soil nutrients and disturb healthy plant growth. Pathogen threat: adverse soil conditions promote harmful, persistent soil-borne fungal pathogens that disturb root. Chemical risk: overuse of synthetic fungicides. These toxic chemicals reduce in soil and water systems. Next, problem statement, major impact and solution. Ecological discussion: synthetic chemical destroy beneficial soil microbial obscure mycorrhizal fungi mishelp in the plant nutrient uptake. In addition, the solution need for a plant-derived botanical antifungal agent that target pathogen without disrupting beneficial plant microbiosis. Objective: A. To investigate the effectiveness of arterial elytra expert to inhibit the radical flow of Fusarium oxorium via the candid probe method. B. Through the extraction of active compound from rhizome of the character through the use of solvent extraction method to the main row. C. By determining the positive inhibition of radical growth and the minimum inhibitory concentration of the extract against the pathogen. D. How to analyze and observe the change in morphology of mycelium and cilia of Fusarium osporium when the treated using the key of fungi analysis method. E. To facilitate the use of organic pesticide rather than the chemical pesticide on the plant. Literature review. First, better environment factor of disease. Insect spread of the disease between area evolution trigger fungi and bacterial synthetic fungi destroy of the soil ecosystem. Monoculture, single row planting, need little alternative. Second, strategy and botanical alternative. Care to study soil pH, type and chemical stability, soil interaction, and organic matter after nutrient delivery, proper soil management control, the pathogen Fusarium oxorium. Next, soil protective and pathogen management. Reduce reliance on the chemical pesticide in a large plant population. Good crop biodiversity using botanical alternative like incorporation, bunga kantan. Safer environment, cleaner food and protected from water. The next slide shows material and third material. The plant used the fresh bunga kantan flower rhizome from the Kota Semarang market. Pure culture of Fusarium oxorium from FTS collection. Media and chemical. Potato dextrose agar (PDA), potato dextrose board (PDB), pure ethanol for extraction, and distilled water. Asparagus like the evaporator autoclave laminar flow cabinet, incubator, and digital caliber. Expression and fungi culture. Maceration extraction like 50 gram powder and 2 rhizome and addition 500 milliliter ethanol shaken for 1 hour. Filter using wetman filter paper and compression via rotary, evaporate and store at 4 larger sections. Fungi subculture from inoculated on PDA flat. Inoculate at 29 until 20 until 2 larger sections for 7 days. Morphological identification via microscopy from article book Dugan 2006. Moving on the next slide, still the material and method. Next, anticipated essay and data analysis. The result from the technique incorporated into PDA at concentration of 5, 10, 50, and 20 milligram per milliliter. At 5 am further, this stud was placed at the center of each plate control plate with for PDA without extract. Data collection used the daily measurement of nuclear radical using a digital paper vibration and percentage inhibition of radical and minimum inhibitory concentration. Expected outcome hypothesis extract from atrial elector rhizome significantly inhibit the flow of Fusarium oxporium and typical activity. High concentration of extract are expected to yet high inhibition of radical delaying mesonia movement, like structural damage to fungi happy, such as shrinking and bursting will be observed via microscopy. Key limitation: setting the minimum inhibitory concentration standard for bunga as a natural fungi. Agriculture benefit: provide a cost-effective strategy for farmers against fungi infestation. Reducing of synthetic chemical fungi, promote eco-friendly farming system, and minimize environmental pollution. Last but not least, this slide shows my work schedule. This final point is one of my reference. Thank you.